guys, Raiuki here. Today's tutorial is a Twixtor and Remap tutorial number 2, since it's been a while since I made the first one. As I will show you on this one, I have new methods that I've used during my recent edits that improve my Twixtor and Remap, which I will be showing you guys today. As you can see here, this is I'll be showing you guys how I made these Twixtor clips right here. First things first. Okay, just remove it. I'll redo it. Okay, this one. Okay, from the rock clip, keep on select here, go to velocity. As I showed in the first video, we're going to speed it up until there's no dead frames. Go up here, I think that's my foot. Alright, this is usually mostly applied with anime clips, since there tends to be dead frames. But unfortunately you can't remove dead frames manually, so all you can do is use velocity and speed up the clip to prevent that. A little bit too fast. Just gotta mess around with this. Okay. Now hit the timing. Here is the input. This is the output, well, how the video will look. So first you want next all the way there. In your for Twixtor clips, if it's like a short segment, it's best to have between 6 to 10 frames. All depends when the last movement on the clip goes. Let's see. Okay, the last movement is on 6 frames right here. There, that's a dead frame on 7, so 6 or 7. Okay, be sure to have better this style, better mixture to get better best results. Same as velocity. You just let you guys know out there, not every clip can be Twixtored. If I can find an example, I'll see if I'll show you guys. It really depends on the clip that you use. You see what that is. Okay, now we got that done. We're going to use this clip here. Do the same thing. It's still kind of rap here. Some rap, unfortunately, on this one. But it won't be visible until I use the effects and time remap, because at the end it's going to be much faster. So it can. Let's redo this one. If I'm going to keep it, I'm going to keep it there. Let's go with that one. Do the same, because velocity, speed it up. Good. Timing all the way here, and now go to the last moving frame. Okay, 6 again. Alright. This should look same as I did on my last one. This is not bad. I believe the first time I did it was better. Like, you got that idea of it. So that's just the Twixtor part. Now I'll show you guys how to do the time remapping. Now, this is the Twixtor part. That's the timing. On the last video, I'll show you guys how to do time remapping using velocity. This time, I've been learning how to do time remapping with Time Mapper. So, first off, let's see. This is one clip. There's just one beat. I'm gonna just go with the length of the video. Go to graphing, which is a new feature. 20%, of course. My phone always dying when I'm doing tutorials. Alright, first and first. Okay, graphing. This is what I learned when watching AE tutorials. And try my best to copy that onto VideoStar. The graphing is kind of similar. Speed this up. I don't want to speed it up that much because I want to make sure the clip plays throughout the segment of this part. Okay. This is where it's going to speed up, slows down, and then speeds out. At the end of the clip, it's going to speed up again. Let's see. This should be good. Here we go. Here's the thing. It speeds up. As you see here, it speeds up, slows down. I want to make sure the movement of the clip is goes throughout the whole part. And then speeds and then because this clip, I want it to where it's Beast hits Jin Sung-woo. I want to make sure it shows everything of the here's the difference with with time remap. Now we're going to do the same with here. Here's time remapping. Max that up. Go here. Same speed up. Almost the same graphing. Almost the same. That was on preview. See how it looks. Momentarily. What the heck? Why does it look like that? Did I use the wrong clip? I did use the wrong clip. Oh my goodness, wasted all of that for no reason.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Oh my goodness, I knew something was wrong. Okay. There we go, that's much better. Look at that. No, no. Just go mess around with it, see what it fits. Yeah, I think that fits. Okay. There. There's a tire. Very clean. And I managed to get it. Try to get rid of the revers as much as possible. It's not really noisy. And there you have it. You just learned how to time a remap on VideoStar. Hopefully this tutorial makes it much more easier understanding how to do your own Twixtor clips. Let's see. A lot of experimenting. The only probably issue here if I could get rid of this wrap here, but this is mobile. But it's really good. Here's an extra tip. You can go to transform if you want to make the clip look much smoother. Go to transform. Go to VS motion blur. Or this is like almost like, well, technically RSMB on AE, but except it's on VideoStar. I usually put around 40. Copy my settings and apply this on your family mat clips. That'll make it much more smoother. As you see here, here. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully it helps you guys that's looking forward to searching how to do time remapping Twixtor on this application of VideoStar. Please follow, subscribe for more tutorials, which I am now more focused on creating more tutorials than I add, since I have more time than I'm editing nowadays. As you can see when it comes to my being inactive, but as I have fun, looking forward to just teach you guys some tips and tricks on how to become better on VideoStar. So once again, please leave a like and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions what you would like to see in the next tutorial. Alright, see you guys.